I am Santi. We are studying in 8th class section, AP Model School, Rajasthan. We came here to introduce floating houses. Nowadays, our country is facing floods in places like Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha, Chennai, etc. Flood is a body of water which covers the land which is normally dry. Floods are natural disasters that can affect millions of people around the world. Floods can contaminate drinking water, which leads to diseases. They are often caused by rivers, overflowing seas and lakes, but also they are often cause flooding.
It caused major damage for people like losing money, documents, jewelry, grains, etc.
Likewise, we have a major problem during floods. The problem is collapsation of houses. During floods, houses will almost all collapse. For this problem, we have a solution.
We can build floating houses to prevent this collapsation. These houses are built in permanently in water. Normally we build houses in land, but these type of floating houses we built that in water.
But these particular floating houses are designed in a particular way so that water won't enter in the house. Even though the water gather, much more water gather, even though the water level is high, the stop the water from entering the house. So these floating houses can help the people a lot. These might be costly, but they help the people from getting damaged. So our model is
So this is the floating house, and we have used cardboard pieces and paper tape and two bottles of plastic
and some decorative rocks and paper tape to make this model. When we pour water, this model will float on the water. But the real house will float on the water and it can't make any destruction. So let us test this model.
So as you can see, we have filled the water in the tub, and the house start floating.
So as you can see, the water level is high, but the plastic here did not sink in the water and it's floating. So but in reality, the house definitely floats and it will work very nicely in floods. And as you can see, there is nothing water in the house. The water can't enter in the house.
So we have explained and made this floating house project, and it's a good solution for during the floods.
So thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity and please forgive the mistakes that we have made in whole video. So thank you.
4, 3, action!
But the house is floating. So the can also cause flooding.
It cause so we have explained this floating house experiment and oh no, నాకు రాలేదు. Stop చేయి.